In this video, we will discuss the Properties palette in Civil 3D. The Properties palette is an AutoCAD interface component. However, Civil 3D leverages it to make changing properties for Civil 3D objects a little bit easier. The Properties palette should be docked and to the right on your AutoCAD Civil 3D application window. If it is not, let's go ahead and close it. There are a couple ways to get there. First off, a real quick and easy way is using the keyboard, press Ctrl+1, that'll bring it open. Also, if you navigate to the Palettes panel in the Home tab, you'll notice the Properties palette is right there. So the way the Properties palette works is you simply select an object in Civil 3D, or just regular AutoCAD for that matter, and then navigate to the Properties palette to change the different properties. So for instance, if I wanted to quickly change this surface to no display, I would simply click the Style drop-down, no display, and voila, like that, it is turned off. If I want to change this to a different style, I'll go ahead and just pick on, let's say, contours and triangles to do some surface editing, and there is the style defined. Let's press Escape to clear our selection set. Let's say I want to change this corridor object to use a different code set style because I'm ready to plot my corridor model, and I just want the planimetric graphics. This is defined by the code set style. I can simply navigate to the Properties palette, and then change the code set style, and change it to a style that I may have in my drawing that automatically turns off the link and point styles and so on. Again, depending on the object type you select, you'll get a different set of properties.